Hello, in this video we're going to have a look at task 3 on the Word paper that we've been looking at so far. So it says here to open my file called era and insert a table at the end of the document. We've got to make sure there's a paragraph break and a clear line space at the end of the final paragraph, and we need a table with 2 columns and 5 rows. So let's go ahead and do that. There's my document that I prepared last time. I'm going to use the return key to make sure that I've got some space after the final paragraph. Then I'm going to go on the Insert tab and choose Table. This dialog box will come up, and it's easy to choose a table with the right dimensions using the little square icons in the dialog box. So 2 columns and 5 rows. Then, according to this, I need to add in this data, so I'm not going to make you watch me type that in. Okay, so now I've typed in that information. I'm just going to slightly resize these columns because they don't need to be quite that wide. Okay, so let's see what it says we've got to do next. It says make sure all the borders for the table are visible. Well, by default they will be visible. If you want to do anything differently with them, you can choose this borders control here. So for instance, if I wanted to get rid of the borders altogether, I could click that button. But as it stands, I do need the borders, so let's put those back in. Then it says make sure all the data is fully displayed. So yeah, nothing's hidden, it's all visible and readable. Now it says format the heading year to be bold. So if I click and highlight that, I can use this little menu that pops up to choose bold, or I can use the one at the top that we're familiar with already. Then it says that I should center the heading toy, so all I need to do for that is to click in this cell and choose the center align button. It says that the remaining text and numbers must be left aligned. Well, that's as it should be. Now I need to save the file, keeping the file name era, and print 1 copy of it. So, just save. I've actually saved it with a different file name, but that doesn't matter too much because I'm just demonstrating. And then I'm not going to print it now, so I'll just close. And then that's the end of the third task.